Now to the sink.
Next is the sink. This is going to be fun. Come on here. There's the counter. Side, the center, right there. 32 would be 16 on each side of the center. Can't see that.
Sink's that long?
32 by 16 or 18. Don't take my word for it. Go out there and measure it.
I'll take your word for it.
Well, I'm going to check myself. Because I don't want to make a mistake on this.
It looks like it's long. It don't sit there in the cabinet, does it?
Yeah, that is the center.
Yeah, look there, right there.
Right there. Next problem, I'll go come that one when it comes up. Now, we do not want to cut a point there because it ends up sticking out of that.
Yeah, that's fine. We got that thing right there.
This is going to end up going across here. But I'm going to measure and make sure.